Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am going to unbox and make a short review about the Zazu Light Projector. So this is actually like a night lamp that will help soothe the baby and make them fall asleep, or at least help them fall asleep. So what's inside the box is this cute little fish. What I think this is a fish. Yes, it's pink. And we have the manual, of course, that you can find everything that you need. But of course, I'm going to show you how it works. It's a battery operated. You need to remove the screw, of course, to put the battery. And this has this self-adhesive thingy that you can use to attach the fish or this lamp onto the grip, just like so. Okay, I'm having a hard time, but I'm gonna make it. Yes, that is how I attach it on the grip. And then let me show you the button. So this one is where you can find the 3 different music, and then the one on the right side is where you can find the volume. You can choose low or high, and the one on the left side is the sensor where you can turn it on, so when the baby starts crying it will turn on by itself. Sawa, sawa. Good night. I basically have 3 different colors, from blue, green, and red. And then the last feature is where it changes colors by itself. So from blue it will turn to green, and then it will turn to red, and then so on and so forth. I mean, it will just change colors by itself, and it's just repetitively doing that, which is very cool. As you can see this in this video at night, I'm showing. So this is basically how it looks like at night. It's really cool if you choose to use the last feature that I showed you, where it change color by itself. So I think the kids or your baby will find it fascinating. And I like this music as well. This is number 2. Yes, I'm gonna show you the 3 different music you can choose from. So the first time we tried this lamp, it helped. She actually fell asleep by herself. She cried a little bit, but after like 10 to 15 minutes, she just fell asleep. So this lamp, it plays by herself for 15 minutes, and then after that, it will turn it off. But then when the baby starts crying, or it sends a lot of noise, then it will turn on by itself. So if you guys want to try, I think this is actually good. We will actually be using this. So our daughter can fall asleep by herself on her own bed because it's actually really difficult for us. That's it, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.